What was I gonna say? Sometimes you just have to revert back to the roots and the heart of this channel. And that's what we open with all the time.
Enjoy Disney through the eyes of our family.
So come along, we're gonna have some fun. Maybe get a snack, ride some rides, maybe a little humor along the way. No big point in this one, we never know. Maybe we'll find a tip and trick. But for now, just come along and enjoy for a good 10-15 minutes of fun. Let's go. Right now, even at Animal Kingdom, you can celebrate with the Sully Popcorn Bucket. Here's one of the snack option shacks near Everest. Since we're getting something, I figured I'd show you some of the options and the prices. And there's the actual Sully popcorn container. I like how it has the Monsters Inc. doors and title from the movie. These are pretty good size, but I think you get less than you do in these in our refills. Just so you guys know, here's the bucket that we had refilled. So for $2, you get a refill of popcorn. You initially buy the bucket for $10, and you get refills for several months actually, so it'll last you a whole vacation, or if you're a annual pass member, you can run these buckets for a few months before they change them out.
This is the only place in Animal Kingdom that you can get ice cream.
It's the Funky Bus. You can get ice cream floats for $5.49, soft serve waffle cones for $4.99, and that's in Asia. Jillian has discovered something. Oh, you're gonna get on it? Where are you gonna pedal to? Your little home in the countryside? In Asia?
Yeah.
In Tibet? Okay. What do these rags represent?
I studied this like over a year ago, but they're Tibetan prayer flags. So, in the Himalayas in like Tibet, you see these? These are different prayers. The green means earth. This means water. This spirit, and then like the sky.
So there you go. When you walk through Asia here at Disney's Animal Kingdom, you'll know what the flags represent.
And if you go on Everest, they're also hung up. They're hung up everywhere here in Asia. So
You have now been educated. You've been served. Time for another serving of $2 refill popcorn. I'm just walking along and I saw this shot. That's a pretty shot of the backside of the tree. Where I'm standing is in front of Up. Want to see a crowd level check? That's Animal Kingdom for February 2nd. It's crowded. Everything is 40, 50, 60, 70 minutes right now. So things have not loosened up yet. Here's a thought as you travel from Asia into Africa. There's a smoking section up there on the hill. When people are walking down and walking through the path, it stinks. That smoke comes right down. So if Disney's listening, if you could reroute that smoking section, that would be awesome.
To
It's
a
like dead
different
smack in
park
the...
because this is Animal Kingdom, and that's probably going to damage animals. If I don't think there's no animals around here, but what if it like travels so far? That could like that could really
It's
damage
really
it.
bad right now. Like I'm
There
trying
should
not
be
to.
no smoking section.
I'm
It's
trying
Animal
not to
Kingdom.
breathe right now.
Can't be smoking section.
Was that smoke worse than ever today, or what?
If you want to smoke, go outside, exit the park or something. And it's Animal Kingdom, like I said, animals.
Oh yeah. When the sun goes down in Disney, living in Diz comes alive.
Especially
Yes, we do. Hey, this is the Paging Mr. Morrow angle. Hello, friends. Hello, Jumbo. Oh, you yes, you can. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, we can't find
I
you.
love your
There you
gimbal.
are. Thank you. We're
I
still
also
learning
have
how
a
to
gimbal.
control it.
Oh, I have a gimbal
Yeah.
at home too.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I have the Osmo one though.
Okay.
Not the, is this you? No. Oh, that's Osmo. That's
This is the
Osmo
Smooth
4?
4.
Oh,
Smooth
that's
4.
a Smooth 4. Oh.
Yeah.
And you have a lot more buttons than the Osmo one.
Yeah, look at that. I still don't know them all. I'm trying to learn.
It's good to really practice around and walk around with it,
It
sir.
is.
Yeah.
It
Because
is,
I tried
yeah.
it the other day when it
Did
was
you?
super crowded.
Uh-huh.
It was so hard
It
because
was
I
too
kept
hard.
bumping into people.
Yeah.
But I tested it out with the band.
Yeah.
They're really, really cooperative.
Oh,
So they
nice.
love camera action.
Oh, they do?
They
Oh,
really
oh,
do. It's
all right,
good
well,
practice. It's really good practice.
Okay. Oh, we'll have to do some more practice on
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're from the Philippines, huh? How long?
But I'm actually from Melbourne, Australia, sir.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I was
Okay.
born
Born
here.
there, but when?
Yeah,
Oh,
but
okay.
actually moved.
Okay, okay.
Thank
Yeah.
you. You
How
guys
long
should
have you?
visit Australia sometime.
Oh, I would love to. I would love to. Wouldn't you?
With the kangaroos and all the koalas and
yeah.
all of the
Yeah.
the
Are they
fishes
easy to
and
find?
Sorry?
Are they easy to find?
They're everywhere,
Kangaroos and
sir. They're
koalas?
literally everywhere.
Really?
Yeah,
Wow.
they're actually considered pests.
Are they really?
They are.
Wow,
They're
wow,
considered
wow.
pests.
That's pretty neat. That's pretty neat. We're gonna go over to Pandora.
Oh, by the way, you're just in the right time to come to Pandora because everything lights up right now in Pandora, and some of the plants they open up, and yeah, it's everywhere it's glowing apparently.
Perfect. Ooh, well, let's go check that
And it's
out.
good. It's good for
Yes,
your. It's good for
it's
your
for us.
vlog. Or,
It is. Yeah. Living in Diz
Ah.
on YouTube.
to
Oh,
Alex
YouTube.
right
Okay.
here.
Wait. So what's your channel, sir?
Living in Diz.
Living in this.
D-I-Z.
Okay, I'll follow you tonight, sir.
Please. Yeah. D-I-Z. Remember that.
D-I-Z. Got
Yeah.
it.
And we'll put you on
Hello.
there next week.
Oh, thank you.
Say hello to Alex from the born in the Philippines but lived in Australia.
Yes, sir. Woo!
Thanks for talking to us.
Thank you so much,
All right.
guys. Yeah.
We'll see you again.
High five again. See you guys again.
All right. Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Always nice to meet some cast members on Living in Diz Fun Night. Every night is fun night.
Yeah.
Right? The luminescent plants from Pandora. That's quite the interesting tree. I swear like that's a new tree. Has that tree always been there? I feel like I've never seen this one. Some interesting lights on the bark. Look at that at night.
Makes sense.
Right. It's the Fast Pass entrance for the Narvi River journey. I do feel rain as well. It's been a while since we've shown you Pandora at night, so here we go. So we are closing out Pandora. Look at this, an empty Pandora. We've got one other person there. An empty queue. I mean, there's people there, but hey, there's Will. We hooked up with our friends.
Like wave patterns, I thought.
Yeah,
but,
look at this.
It is vibrating. Okay, you see it there. The middle's
Yeah.
stationary. The other end is moving. So
What's
it's
the
like
scientific
it's like
theory
it's
behind that?
stuff.
But anyway, look at the empty queue. Look at that. Empty queue. We're just having fun showing off this empty queue. There's no one behind us. We're closing this mother out. Oh, look, we have a special guest. Oh, look, we have some special guests here in the outro. Look at this. To our park fun. Say hello. Introduce yourselves.
I'm Belle. I'm Lexi.
That's right. And you might see them in future videos because we're going to start hanging out with them a little bit. So, we had fun running around the park. Hope you enjoyed coming around with us. So, until next time, I'm Corey.
I'm Jillian. I'm Lexi. I'm Belle.
And we're Living in Biz.